Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn paragraph and paragraph tag in HTML. What is paragraph and what is the tag we are going to use? Let's see here. Very simple. In HTML, in our previous lectures also, we have seen the p tag. That is less than. You just type p, you will be displayed like a p, and just tab, you can receive the p tag open and end tag. Something you are going to be entering here, the text. This is paragraph. I am prepared. You just simply see here, save it and run on the browser. Reload the browser. See, this is paragraph I am prepared. Have you seen here? This is the text only it is displaying. Likewise, you can make it as in a multiple lines on paragraph you can create here. And also am learning all the HTML tags in these lectures. Yes, you can apply these tags to CSS cascading style sheet to make more beautiful pages and paragraph text as well. Alright, now save it and reload the page. You see here, have you seen here? This is the way by using the p tag in HTML. Very simply, you can use this HTML, making the paragraphs and all. And very important to discuss with you here. And one more tag is there for PRE. Just see here, like a PRE. This is the paragraph. Similarly, where you can, if you want to display rather than it, this is also be defined for text as well. If you want to show more than text like tags also, it can be like HTML tags also. If you want to display in the web page, yes, it is possible to display. Let's see here. This is another, yeah, this is another graph tag. Let's see here, by saving this page, go to refresh. This is another paragraph tag. Now, what I would like to show you, I want to display something like a tag name for paragraph tag is, it's a P I'm displaying here. And okay, just very simply. Now let's see here, reload the page. You will see, yeah, it's not displaying here. The P you will be, within the P, you will get some tag here. You'll see how it is. One more tag is there for displaying the text. I'll display you. For as of now, you will continue with this for texting, like displaying the multiple lines. You will be get it with this PRE tag. And see here, by creating the paragraph tag and open tag and end tag, right? Here you have to be concentrate. It's the main important point is if I am removing end tag here and save it. Now let's see here, refresh. See, nothing will happen here, but the same thing is displaying, right? And if I'm adding as an end p tag, like I'm making p and save this, reload, the same thing. Why so important to use end tag? Yes, as a HTML developer or as a programmer, you have to make sure that as per the standards of W3 World Wide Web, where HTML is giving you an standard instructions, most of the times you may not get an errors while using the end tags. And in such a situation, if identified very clearly by identifying the first tag and end tag, you may get some improper messages and improper way of presenting the data at a web page. That you have to strongly remember to presenting your data. All right. And within the p tag, you can make it is that giving the some lines of the gaps and all. Also, it is possible here. This is a space line. Save it, refresh. This is you have taken, and not yes. That is the main difference I have forgotten to explain you here. Within the p tag, five space given here, and it is continuing from here itself. In this, we'll check here. If I'm using like multiple line spaces and save this, check here. It's taking here. This is the major. The difference between p tag and pre tag is where you are going to writing your HTML like content or lines or tables, how it is displaying here. It will be displayed like where your web page and not in p tag. P tag it will be always eliminates all these spaces and it will be show you like continuation. Even if you require in p tag also with the space and all of these lines, what you need to do is like you have to take b like a break line, br tag, break a line and terminate that line and it will be continuation with the next line from the beginning. And if you put one more break means one more empty line you are creating here. This is a tag is break br. The br tag is not having end tag. That also you strongly remember. A few talks are there like there is a no end tag for these tags. Strongly remember. You just simply write like a br is sufficient to making is in a tag. Now two break lines I have given within the paragraph. Now this you can observe here. Yes, this you can observe. Just refresh. It's taken here. One is for splitting line and the one more is taking for the space. If I given one more break line here, it will be applied for one more break. Save it and reload. Yes, have you taken? That is a very pretty easy to write paragraphs and handling the text. Like I want to display something like text here in itself here. Yes, you can take the break lines and the space and you can apply some spaces here and you can write that thing. Or else anyhow we learn CSS on the diagonally and the boxes either in maybe top, bottom, right, left where we want to display the text within the paragraph or within the box. We can handle such type of situations while applying the CSS very simple. Hope you understand about paragraph tag very quickly. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.